Napakahalaga ng ability natin to communicate. It builds trust, it builds relationship, it builds mutual respect. Ngayon, hindi eloquence ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, hindi language skill, hindi yung tatas ng iyong pagpasasalita, kung hindi your ability to relate with others through communication, by maintaining connection with others. Kailangan nito ng tatlong bagay. Una, courage. Second ay confidence. At yung pangatlo ay humility. And it's very important to understand that as you communicate, you have both your rights and your responsibility. Your rights should be delivered with confidence and your responsibility should be delivered with humility. Ano ba yung rights and responsibilities na yun? You have the right to set limits and you have the responsibility to respect others' limits. You have the right to ask for what you need or want, and you have the responsibility of acknowledging other people's needs. You have the right to express your opinion, and you have the responsibility of listening to others' opinion. And you have your right to be respected, and you have the responsibility of respecting others. If you are able to maintain the balance between those two, should be able to effectively build trust, build relationship, and build mutual respect with other people. I hope this helped.